How I make my Trailblazing grandma stew. First of all, I got to use some garlic and onions as always. Chop up the garlic. I use about half a head of garlic. Some onion, half an onion. Dice them up really good. I love my trusty dicer. Cut up a couple carrots to bite-sized pieces. Wash my zucchini as I wash all my produce. Very important. So many people touching it with germs. Cut that as well into bite-sized pieces. Ready to go, set aside. My turnip. I have a trusty peeler that I just love. It came in a set of 3. Slice it up into bite-sized pieces. Try not to cut my fingers. Peel my rutabaga. That peeler is amazing. Comes with a small paring knife, the peeler, and a tomato knife. Got to stop and put a little bit of salt on a couple pieces and eat them raw. So good. Potato, 1 medium potato. Chop it up into bite-sized pieces as well. There you go. You got all your veggies. I use the strip steaks with the price of meat these days. And I'm not crazy about the stewing beef. It's so chewy. And I like just cutting that up into bite-sized pieces. Add some flour, 1/4 cup of flour. Shake it up. Spread dust everywhere. Add some olive oil to the pan. I end up having to use a little bit more than I put in there, but then I add some fresh pepper, some red pepper seasoning, some salt, sea salt, and garlic powder. Stir it all up. And then I add it to the pan. Add my onion and garlic mixture. Get it all in there. Stir it all around. Do the hokey pokey. Fry it till it's browned. Add all the vegetables. You can also add some more seasoning if you'd like now. And the favorite ingredient of all is my wine beef broth. Pour it all in. Yes, the whole thing. Fills it right up. All the liquid you need. Give it a good stir. And cover it up with the lid and let it simmer for about an hour. Look at that. It's coming along really good. Stir it halfway through and you're ready to serve. It's all done. Scoop it out. I like mine with a teaspoon of sour cream in it. Sometimes I like it more liquidy. My husband likes to dip garlic toast into it. Yum, yum, yum. Enjoy.